Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41 reference 126333, yellow gold and steel with a fluted bezel and slate green Roman dial. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. The Datejust 41 has, as you might imagine, a 41mm case. That means it, from my thumb to my index finger, is 41 millimeters. Now they call it oyster steel and yellow gold. What that refers to is the case, which is right here, where my thumb is pointing to, and the bezel. The bezel is yellow gold, the case is steel, hence yellow gold and steel. They also call it oyster steel and yellow gold, or Rolesaur, yellow Rolesaur. It's a word that they made up. It basically means stainless steel and gold. Okay, so it's a monoblock middle case, screw down case back, and winding crown in 41 millimeters. Now let's talk about the bezel here. Now the bezel, this is an iconic bezel that Rolex has been using. It's a fluted bezel. Some people have called it serrated or edged. At any rate, it used to have a function to hold the watch on and keep it watertight way back when, but nowadays it's just used for aesthetics. Although actually if you took it off it would not be watertight. I guess so. It does still keep it watertight, doesn't it? The bezel is made of 18 karat yellow gold. So yeah, and I might also say the version before this, its predecessor, the 116333, it had a fatter bezel. In my opinion, much more clunky, not as streamlined. This bezel looks more streamlined. It fits the watch better. And I guess I might say as well, this predecessor, the case was also not as nice. Now the case in this version of 126333, it's more narrow right here where the lug is, and they've refined the bezel a bit. So I think that's worthy. That's a worthy upgrade. If you have the 116333, the Datejust 2, you might want to upgrade to the Datejust 41. A lot of people do that. In fact, that's how we got this watch sitting right here. Someone wants to trade their watch toward this one, so we got this one for them. Anyhow, the movement here is a 3235. Now it's housed inside this stainless steel case. You can't see it. It used to be in the previous model 116333 used to be a 3135, which had been around for 30 years, and in this newer 126333 it's a caliber 3235, which I've seen it. I've opened this watch because we do that every time we buy used watches to check to make sure that they're real. The 3235 really does look better. If you ever get a chance to open one and look at it, you'll notice that the 3235 is better. It also is more precise. In fact, it's plus minus 2 seconds a day, where the previous one was around plus minus 7. And it also has a longer power reserve. In fact, the power reserve is at 70 hours. Okay, previously it was like 48. Let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet is a Oyster Bracelet. It has this outer edge is brushed, polished, and the center is high polished. It has an oyster flat 3-piece link, and again, Rolex calls it yellow Rolesaur, which is basically a combination of stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold. Okay, so the clasp is a folding oyster clasp with the Easy Link 5mm extension. It's folding, and you simply click on it like that, and that closes it. I like it. I think it looks very streamlined. They also make this watch in Jubilee. This one is in oyster, and it has an Easy Link 5mm extension. What does that mean? It means you can make it a little bit tighter by just doing that. So like in air conditioning rooms or where it's cold. Okay, now that brings us to the end of this review. Now I was going to try it on and let you guys know my thoughts. For me, I really like this dial. Some people call it the Wimbledon dial. I'm not sure why. I guess Wimbledon is green, but so are a lot of other things like spinach and broccoli. So I don't know, but some people have called it that. I just call it what the Rolex website calls it, which is a slate green Roman dial. And I think I really like it. I like this dial. I think it looks funky. You know, green is always a cool color. It reminds me of money, you know, green pastures, something along those lines. You know, I like it. I think it really looks really cool. I like it with this Oyster bracelet. Makes it look very modern. And I like the bezel. I think it's dressy. I like the size. I mean, a lot of good things to say about this watch. So if you like it, you like this video, or you think you want to buy this watch, we actually make this video so you, the customer at home watching this, can decide from the comfort of your own home if you want to buy this watch. Since we're an online company, that's usually how people decide if they want to buy watches, is by viewing our YouTube videos, giving us a call, checking out our website, and then looking at and then buying this watch. So if you want to buy it, click on the link in the description below. And if you like this video, click thumbs up.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.